Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aries. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards. We have Empress, Lady of Suns in reverse, and Ten of Suns in reverse, guys. So, in your situation today, guys, Aries, you are someone really compassionate, kind, and that is going to uh, affect the people around you, guys. Your compassionate nature, people may come to you for guidance or support, and they feel really inspired to be with you. And for some of you, I also see that there is someone in your life, they are acting like a compassionate person, kind person, but their intentions are not good, guys. They have evil intentions towards you. So you need to stay away from this person if you have a vague idea who it is in your life. You need to stay away from that person because they are plotting against you, and it may lead towards some kind of financial loss or separation in your life with this person you love. So they are working against you, trying to create a lot of problems for you, and they are not at all concerned for your welfare, and they are just here, what to say, simply to make more problems for you, guys. But for some of you, I see someone is here to support you and guide you. It may be your true friend, a family member, sibling, or older friend, sister, or someone, a woman maybe, guys. So they are truly concerned about you and they care for you a lot. And this person, this woman is going to help you, bring you out of your troubles, guys. So if you have someone like that in your life, you can place your trust on this person and you can communicate with this person about all the troubles you're facing today and take their suggestions, because that is going to help you a lot come out of difficulties today, guys. And for some of you, I see that you feel really overwhelmed, emotional, maybe today with this person you love or with this friend we were speaking about. You are going to be really emotional and you are going to be happy for their presence in your life, for the way they are treating you, their protective nature, and you feel really cared for, protected, and nurtured when you are with this person, guys. And you are happy to be with this person. Maybe this may be the person of your life, your true love, guys. And for some of you, I see that this person is truly in love with you, and they are here to help you, support you, and protect you in every possible way. And maybe you are facing a lot of difficulties in your life today, Aries, and this person is going to help you out of that. So their presence is simply overwhelming you today, Aries. So that is the energy, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. We have two cards here, so you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys, and I will start with the first card. So let's close our eyes for a few seconds, meditate, and I will start the reading with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this card. Let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, what is the card? It is Gretel. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your life, in your past, maybe for some of you, you have gone through a lot of traumatic situations. Maybe the elders in your family, they have let you down. They were not quite responsible, and their attitude has affected your life. And whatever you have faced, your challenges, or whatever the traumatic situations you have faced in your life in your childhood years, it has simply made you much more stronger and courageous. And your story is an inspiration. You need not feel shy, or you need not fear. You are someone who's very courageous and strong under difficult circumstances, and you are someone who helps others, who help people, and you are a true defender of friends and family. So it is time you inspire the younger generation with your stories, with your ideas, or how to deal with the problems they are facing right now in their life. And you need to you work well as a team, guys, maybe in your work or in your life, in your family. You are a great person to be with. You have beautiful communication skills. You are quick thinking, protective, and you are someone who is supportive and very resourceful. So the people around you, they find you a very good person to be with, and your abilities and strategies, you can talk about it to the younger generation, whomever you are in contact with today, guys, because your stories are simply going to inspire them today in their life, and your strength and courage. So you are moving on. You have moved on from your past. Maybe something happened. Maybe if it is something to do with your relationship, you have moved on from a traumatic relationship, and you have come out as a strong person. And this courage is going to inspire the person you meet now, and they will feel, maybe you will feel that true connection and communication with this person, guys. You need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have Round and Round. So again, a beautiful card here. So this just means that in your situation today, guys, you just feel that you have come back to that same spot again. And how did you get here? You are simply wondering how things are going in the same way again now, and how to deal with this present situation. So you need to understand that you are here in this particular situation with a particular type of a person, because it is the spirit's plan for your evolution, guys. That is the reason you have circled back to this accustomed spot in your life today. So this time around, you will know what you need to do differently, maybe respond differently now, or behave differently, because you know from your past experience what was your response, and what was that experience, and what you have learned from it. So you need to let go of that blame game, remain curious now to learn any new changes or any new experiences that are coming today. And you need to respond differently, so that way you will not come back to the same spot again in your life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So maybe in your relationship, you are having similar problems like the past, maybe like the past experiences. So if you respond differently, you are going to break this cycle today, guys. So that is the energy. So you will be able to find a better person who will be with whom you will be able to connect better and have a beautiful relationship. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. With the two cards, we saw such a beautiful reading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the reading. If you like, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.